told unless I physically caught him stalking me, there was little that they could do. No investigation, no arrest, no protective order.
Survivors banding together, calling for changes to current anti-stalking laws in New York. Good evening. I'm Jessica Moore.
Welcome back. I'm Christine Johnson. Advocates and lawmakers want to draw attention to what they call a loophole in New York's laws against stalking and harassment.
They say they're concerned that the current legislation doesn't keep up in this digital age. Bauman spoke to stalking survivors in downtown Brooklyn.
In the age we live, model Lamika Fox has to use social media for her career. And with nearly 500,000 followers, she's used to getting anonymous messages from fans.
I didn't know that I was being stalked until he got into an Uber with me. I was leaving a photo shoot and he got in the car at the same time and left roses on the seat and then sent an email about it after.
The man, she says, found her address and started showing up outside her apartment.
I filed 3 separate police reports basically every time I was met with, "Are you sure it's not someone that you dated?" because that was the only way that they would be able to even attempt to investigate or offer a protective order.
As the law stands now in New York, in order to get a civil order of protection against someone, you have to go through family court, which means the person has to be a relative or an ex-partner.
As stalking and harassment has moved into the digital age, so too must the laws.
In Brooklyn Thursday, advocates and lawmakers joined the district attorney in calling on Albany to pass the CREEP Act, which would allow New Yorkers to obtain a civil order of protection against someone even without familial or romantic ties.
And the only way to try to get help is to when it escalates into physical violence or a crime.
I was sent hundreds of messages, was falsely reported to my professional board, and both my husband and I were falsely reported to the FBI.
Physical therapist Melissa Patinella says she was able to get a criminal order of protection against a former client after he was arrested for stalking her, but then he was found mentally incompetent to stand trial.
Meaning his charges were dropped by the state, and my temporary criminal order of protection was null and void.
43 other states already have similar laws to the CREEP Act. The bill has passed unanimously in the state Senate and is in committee in the Assembly. From downtown Brooklyn, Bauman, CBS News, New York.